QFD is a function deployment matrix method that transforms the voice of the customers into the engineering designs and changes made within a company.
First part is the customer needs. There are 9 kinds of different requirements. First is the price. Nobody want to buy a coffee in a very high price. That's why we think the importance of this requirement is H. Second part is cooling rate. Imagine where you feel very cold in winters and the customers go to Tim Hortons to buy a cup of coffee to get warm. However, the coffee cold very fast. The customers must be very disappointed. That's why we think this importance of this requirement is 7. For next requirement in the table, nobody want to be hurt by the hot coffees, so we think the importance of this requirement is 10. Fourth is tasty. The new materials of the coffee cups must not affect the taste of the coffee. Next part is the most important part of these requirements, which is safety. The new materials of the coffee cups must be harmless to consumers' health. Then is leak proof. It's easy to see the customers who want double cups to avoid the lead, so we think it's necessary to add this requirement, and the importance of it is 4. Next one is the inner customer requirement. For some old consumers, the colors and the logos on the coffee cups represent the taste of the coffee. So that's why we think the appearance of the coffee cups should be considered in the customer requirement. The 8th is portability. All of coffee cups are designed in cylindricals, which means it's not easy for customers to hold it. That's why it should be improved. Last one is the purpose in this case, which is the recyclability. Customers always want the recyclable materials to protect the environment.
So now we're going to talk about the engineering solution applied, which is in the table below. First, we're going to talk about the bio-PBS technique, which is used for the linear and eco-friendly, also recyclable. Second part is the grip part for the outside of the cup. We change a little bit the shape of the cup, which is create a better friction between your hands and the cup, and better and easy to grip. And the third one, we have the eco-friendly ink color, which is made of vegetable oil and safe to human. The last part, we have the new lid. It's made by plastic but also recyclable, and better airflow prevents accidental opening of the cup. And the next part is the analysis of the competitions of the market, coffee market. So we have all product and cost coffee, and also famous coffee shop, Starbucks. So the table below is the overall scores for each product. So based on the result, our product has a better score in the groups, and due to the environmental friendly and recyclable material, and which is they don't have, another factor has reached the average in the industry. Expect the cooling rate, which is a bit weak of our product, and even though we have an overall score 31 and Costa Coffee have a 27, Starbucks have a 27 too.
Next part is total value calculations. The result of calculations is technical importance rate. The higher rate means that the solutions meet more customers' needs. So after calculate the importance of customers' requirements and calculations metrics, bio-PBS technology linears get 219, which is the highest mark in all of engineering solutions. Comparing with the correct linears, it improves in leak-proof and recyclability. Moreover, these solutions meet 7 kinds of customer requirements, which means only 2 of them are not covered.
This part we're going to talk about the interrelationship between the engineering solutions. First, the BioPBS technique has a negative relationship with polystyrene linear section because the current linear can dissolve into the liquid to change the taste and is now recyclable to the environment. Gripping pattern on the outside of the cap section has a positive relationship with the eco-friendly ink and the matte finish grip, in case the new ink can produce a positive resistance on the surface in order to help you to grip the cup. And the new leak-proof lid section has a negative relationship with the current lids because the new one has a better performance in the leak-proof.
In conclusion, we made our coffee more affordable by changing our cup liner from polystyrene to BioPDS, because any material that has BioPDS knows it can withstand any up to 100 degrees Celsius and keeps the coffee warm. We also increased the taste or made it taste better by adding more spices to our coffee grounds and also cocoa powder and vanilla to make it taste more richly. Any company that uses BioPDS also has the highest scalability performance, that is, it prevents it from leakage. For inner customer requirements, we left it with the traditional one because we saw there was no need to change it and it was good and had no issues. BioPDS, that is changing the cup liner into BioPDS, makes it more recyclable and more safe and reduces the waste in the near future. Thank you.